morning, pre-K. This week we're going to continue learning about science. Last week we read the book, What is Science? And we learned that scientists do something. Do you remember what they do? It's what this little boy is doing in this picture. He's studying. Scientists study different things. So last week we learned that scientists can study volcanoes. They can study outside. Now, study means to learn different things. And we can learn different things by reading books, by going outside and exploring. So today we're going to look at our new book called Science in Our World. And let's see what this book is about this week. Science in Our World. Scientists study the world around us. Do you remember the word study? How is he studying? What is he doing? He's looking at the different rocks all around him. They explore, they observe, and they ask questions about all kinds of things. Scientists study things that are very big. Do you see anything big on this page that scientists would study? Do you see the big thing? What is this? A T-Rex. Now, there are some other big things that scientists can study, and I have some pictures of them. Scientists can study big trees. They can also study whales. Scientists also study things that are very small. What is the small thing on this page? Did you say a frog? Look at this frog. This frog is sitting on somebody's finger. Hold out your finger and imagine that you have a frog sitting on it. Look how small that frog would be. Can you think of some other small things that scientists can study? I have a couple of things. Scientists can study small little mice. And they can also study ladybugs. Oops. Scientists also study things that are very, do you think this is cold or hot? You're right, it's hot. What is this? I know some of you made these this last week. A volcano. Scientists study things that are very, very hot. Can you think of some other hot things that scientists could study? Some scientists study rocket ships that go into outer space. Or they can study the hot desert. Scientists can also study things that are very cold. What is this guy doing? This guy, it looks like he's studying a mountain. He's climbing up the side of ice on a mountain. What other cold things do you think scientists could study? They could study snow. They can also study snowflakes under a microscope. That's what snowflakes look like when you look at them very closely. Scientists can also study things that are very fast, like these jets. Can you think of some other fast things that scientists could study? I have a picture of one thing. They can study trains that go fast. And they can also study cheetahs because cheetahs run really fast. And scientists can study things that move very slow, like this snail. What other things move slow that scientists could study? Can you think of anything that moves very slowly? How about a tortoise? Tortoises move very slowly, and scientists can study them. And then this picture, do you know what this is? This is a glacier. Glaciers move very slowly, and scientists can study them. Think like a scientist. What kinds of things would you like to study? So I want you to think this week, what different things would you like to study? You can study butterflies or different animals that are outside. You can study the trees. You can study bones. You can explore for fossils and be a scientist. So this week I want you to think about different things that you would like to study. Have fun, guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.